Well, today is January the 19th. Thursday, January the 19th. Good morning. Just spanning around the area. The ones that are closer to me are the ladies I've been camping with for the last week. Today is my last day in this campsite at High Jolly. It's been a lot of fun. I've met some wonderful ladies, and we've had some laughs and some food and a few drinks. And today I'm going to go into an RV park in Quartzsite to get some amenities, to clean up, do laundry, restock with water, and go on from there. Follow along. Hi there, you have found the Crafty Traveler channel. My name is Lonnie, and I'm a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I travel with my little Schnauzer Snickers, who can be a bit noisy at times. We love to go to the desert in the winter, the mountains in the summer, the seashore whenever we can. Sometimes I travel alone, and other times I love to travel with a group. I belong to a wonderful group of ladies that love to camp and have a good time. We do activities like painting. Sometimes I do sewing tutorials. I love to visit quilt shops, go to quilt retreats, and quilt shows. Come along and follow us. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and see where we go next. Thanks for watching. Goodbye to High Jolly BLM. It was a fun place to stay. Driving through Quartzsite now. Turning east on Central, heading east of Quartzsite. Turning left on Rigless Road, which will head a little bit north. Now entering Park Place RV Park. That's the office on the left. I gotta stop here and run in and check in. Now I'm going to be escorted to my site by these two gentlemen. I'm in site number 35. There are 88 sites in this park. There are quite a few seasonal people and a few short-termers and overnighters like me. Hello, Crafty Traveler watchers. It's Lonnie. Today is Friday the 20th, and Snickers and I spent the night at the RV Park Place. Campground, trailer park, whatever you want to call it. It wasn't a resort. It doesn't have a pool. Here, I'll show you a couple little clips. This is the dog park at the RV Park Place in Quartzsite, Arizona. And of course Snickers is running around. No doggies for him to play with here though. At least not right now. It's a nice sized little fenced area with some trees and bushes that aren't too harmful. There's a aloe plant over there, but I don't think that's harmful. And he's just having fun, just running around, checking things out. And the building behind the office is where the library is. Here's the library with some nice lounge seats. And then down the hall, there are showers. There's a shower, and this is a restroom. Nice restroom. And then this is the laundry. And this is the laundry room. 3 dryers and 3 washers. The washers are $1.75 a load, and the dryers are $1.25 a load. The washers run for 25 minutes and the dryers run for 45 minutes. So I'm waiting for my dryer. I've got both of these dryers going, and I've still got a load in this washer. So I'm going to be around for a while. There's my spot, number 35, in the RV park. We'll drive around a little bit. Pretty much all gravel. Really level, I was glad to see. Water, power, and sewer hookups are all okay. There is Wi-Fi, but good luck in trying to get it because it's just too many people on Wi-Fi. This building is where the office is, and the laundry and the library are. And that's where I'm headed, back to the laundry room. Here is a view of the RV Parky Resort, and you can see we're pretty close together. There is room for tow vehicles and sidecars next to the RVs, so it doesn't seem like it's so crowded. I was just here one night just to get laundry, water, and dump a little electricity. The reason I chose Park Place to stay the night, first of all, when I looked it up, it said it was a Passport America park, and I have a Passport America. And when you have that membership, you're supposed to get 50% off. Well, when I called, they said, oh, we don't honor that in January. You know, I've had Passport America Lifetime now for almost 2 years, and probably only half of the Passport America places I have stayed am I allowed to get the discount. It's wrong day of the week, or it's the wrong time of year, or some other reason. And I bought the lifetime for $250 a couple of years ago, thinking that I could save some money. Well, I haven't saved much money. The other reason I chose this, it was recommended by a friend. And the third reason is it's east of Quartzsite, out of town, out of the hustle and bustle, and I thought it would be a little quieter. It is about a quarter to a half a mile from Highway 10, but I did not hear any traffic at all. I did hear a little rain last night. We did have some rain. So that's the reasons I chose the park. It's got, I think it is a 55 and over park, and it has some seasonal places. They do have discounts for seasonal as well as weekly discounts. For my one night stay, it was $67.92. But I figured I've been boondocking for 2 weeks. I could splurge on an RV park. It was a nice place to stay for one night, just to kind of get cleaned up, do laundry, and have hookups for a night. We slept nice and warm because I had my little electric heater on all night at about 65. So we were very cozy. Today, first on the schedule at 9 a.m. is to go to Solar Bill's. And he is going to put a plug from my refrigerator wiring to my inverter. And then I can run my refrigerator from the inverter when I am driving or just using the generator. I have to be very careful to turn the inverter off if I am parked. I immediately have to turn it off and then set my refrigerator to propane or plug it in to shore power. If I don't, my batteries are going to die real fast. But I have a little system right now. I'm just putting a piece of tape over the inverter, which means it's off. And when I have the tape off the inverter, then the inverter is on. A different view of the sunset this time. No RVs in the way. You see the little flash of a gas station over there, but no RVs. It's the end of another day. Tomorrow I will be getting my inverter plug to my refrigerator. Come and watch it. Okay, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. And thank you for watching.